Looking for solid protection on the road without spending a fortune? In this video, we're revealing the 5 best budget dash cams with front and rear coverage. Perfect for drivers who want full coverage, crystal clear footage, and smart features at a wallet-friendly price. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, REDTIGER 4K Dash Camera. The REDTIGER 3-channel 4K Dash Camera. The ultimate car DVR built for clarity and safety. Equipped with front, rear, and cabin cameras, it captures every angle in stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution. Thanks to the Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.55 aperture, it delivers sharp footage even in low light. This dash cam supports 5G Wi-Fi for faster downloads and real-time control via iOS or Android apps. It also features external GPS for accurate speed and location tracking. With loop recording and G-sensor, it securely stores crucial moments during impacts. The REDTIGER offers advanced WDR, anti-vibration tech, and waterproof construction. It's powered by a durable capacitance system, ideal for extreme conditions from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Its compact design, wide 130 to 170 degrees view angle, and H.265 compression make it both efficient and reliable. A smart pick for anyone serious about road safety. Second product on our list, DDPAI Z50 Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z50 Dash Cam, a powerful dual camera system designed to capture every moment on the road. The front camera records in stunning 2160p 4K, while the rear captures at 1080p, ensuring clear and detailed footage for both angles. Equipped with a high-performance Sony IMX415 sensor and an f1.75 aperture, it delivers excellent low-light performance. The H.265 video codec offers sharp video quality while saving storage space. With support for up to 512 gigabytes, it's built for long drives. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it easy to access footage and track driving routes. The Z50 also supports loop recording and audio capture for complete road coverage. It's compact, reliable, and powered via corded electric, using a SigmaStar chipset for stable performance. Although it lacks a built-in screen, app control ensures easy navigation. The DDPAI Z50, smart protection for everyday driving. Third product on our list, AZDOME M550 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a powerful 3-channel dash cam that records in 4K front and 1080p rear, giving drivers a complete view of the road. It features a crisp 3.19-inch IPS display and built-in GPS, so speed and coordinates are always tracked. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi support, file transfers are faster and smoother. It uses a Sony GC4653 sensor and captures footage with a 150 degrees wide angle. Night vision and wide dynamic range ensure clarity even in low light. The supercapacitor design replaces traditional batteries, making it safer in extreme temperatures. Included in the package are a 64 GB TF card, charger, cables, and a crowbar for easy installation. It also supports loop recording, motion detection, and 24-hour parking mode. Durable, smart, and reliable, the M550 Pro offers unmatched protection on every drive. With app control and real-time recording, it's a solid upgrade for any vehicle. Fourth product on our list, GMAIPOP 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam. The GMAIPOP 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam is designed to deliver high-quality, clear footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. With real 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, it ensures nothing is missed. Equipped with a Sony IMX335 sensor and an f2.0 aperture, this dash cam excels in low light, providing clear night vision. Its 170 degrees view angle covers wide areas, while WDR and automatic white balance ensure top-notch image quality in various conditions. It also features loop recording, motion detection, and a G-sensor to safeguard your footage. The 3-inch IPS display provides easy navigation and real-time monitoring, though it's not a touchscreen. With Wi-Fi compatibility, this dash cam supports convenient app access. Plus, it supports up to 256 gigabytes of external storage, offering plenty of space for your recordings. Built to withstand temperatures from -20 to 70, it's a reliable and versatile companion for any driver. Fifth product on our list, EAC 4K Dash Cam. The EAC 4K Dash Cam is built for drivers who want crystal clear video and smart safety features. It records in stunning 4K front and 1080p rear, giving a complete view of the road. Its dual lens setup uses a Sony CCD sensor and a wide f1.6 aperture. Combined with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angles, it captures more detail, day or night. Night vision, WDR, and 3D DNR ensure sharp footage in low light. This dash cam supports GPS tracking, radar detection, and ADAS alerts. It records speed, coordinates, and warns of nearby hazards. Real-time surveillance and parking monitoring offer extra peace of mind. With Wi-Fi compatibility, footage can be accessed directly through a smartphone app. A 3-inch IPS touch screen adds convenience and clarity. It supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage, uses a supercapacitor for heat protection, and operates in extreme temperatures. EAC combines power, safety, and performance in one compact unit.